the last lesson. Or they are also called perfect squares. Why is that so? Because when I take square root of 0, it's a whole number. When I take square root of 1, it's also a whole number. When I take square root of 4, it's a whole number. So that's next one. 16 is 4. Next one. 5 and so on. That's why they are called square numbers. Because when I take square root, it must be a whole number. Now then I want to ask, square root 26, is it a square? Is it a whole number? No. So 26 is not a square number. Or it's not a perfect square. Understand? There are two names, either called square number or perfect squares. Are we clear? Okay. Then I'm going on to cube numbers. Okay? Can we all turn to page 11? We are going to find out what are perfect cubes or cube numbers. Okay. What is 0 cube? What's the meaning? 0 times 0 times 0. 1 cube. 1 times 1 times 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is still 1. Don't tell me 3. I'm very sad. Because some people 1 times 1 times 1 3. Well, all feel less already. What's the meaning of 2 cube? Answer? 8. Don't tell me 6. The set goes on 6 or 8. Get out of it. Alright? 3 cube. I don't know what's the answer. 9. 9. They say, oh, it's 9. Many people tell me it's 9. What should be the answer? 27. Alright? What's 4 cube? I introduced to you the calculator. The 1 is like that, right? That's a square, right? The 1 is x to the power of n, right? Or x to the power of something you can raise up, remember? I told you, right? So you should know. Okay, can all of you key 6 cube? What is it? 216. Everybody know how to use the square and the cube function? Okay, these numbers over here. Okay, let's take a look at the textbook. These numbers over here are called perfect cubes or cube numbers. Why? Because when I take square root, right? Sorry, when I take cube root, is a whole number. Can you see? This is a symbol for cube root. That's here. Okay? Now, how to write cube root? Everybody look up. It's like that plus a little 3. Don't write so big, Understand? And one more thing, students always get confused. Square root is just like that, Don't write like 2, Understand? Very common mistake. You understand now? Okay? So, all these are called square numbers. All these are called cube numbers. Another word for this is perfect square. Another word for this is perfect cube. Because when we take cube root, we get whole numbers. Are we clear? Okay? Now, that's the other way I say. For square root, right? Every 2 times you take up 1, right? What do you think about cube roots? Every 3 times you take up 1. Okay, I'll show you later how they do it. In fact, today I'll show you 1 time already. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another time. Okay? Alright. Let us take a look. I basically only 10 minutes. Because today is a 40-minute lesson, it's very bad. Okay? I don't like 40 minutes lesson. They should every day give me 2-hour lesson. Okay, I don't care. That's how they eat my time already. Alright now. They eat my time, I cannot take back from the English later. So who's going to pay back? Nobody. I'm deprived. Understand? I'm deprived. I cannot take it, Okay, now, let's take a look. How to present the work. And how to look at page 10. I'm going to say it again. Okay? Now, the same find square root 3 to 4 using prime factorization. Now, what to do with this? I need the presentation for this guy. Okay? 3 to 4 divided by 2, 162. Now, this is how you present that. 3, 2, 4 is 2 squared times 3 to the power of 4, correct? Alright? Every 2 times I take out one side. Go to the top. And the go to top. So, next to right, square root 3, 2, 4, 2 times you take out one side. This one 4 times I'll take out one side. 3 to the power of 2, right? So, 2 times 9 will be 18. Now, how to check the answer? Take your calculator, 18 squared. Is it 3 to 4? 18 squared. Is it 3 to 4? If it's 3 to 4, we are correct. If it's not, then something is wrong. Everybody clear? Now, I want you to take all the presentation all done. Can you see I write here, then I write like that? You don't square it, it's called an good nonsense. Understand? It's not right. Clear or not clear? Okay? Now, what if someone write like that? Alright. That's wrong now, because you don't tell me what is it. Understand now? Okay? You'll say, answer correct one. Wow, in 3, 2, 4 is supposed to be 18, I'm rich, you know. $18 and in 3, 2, 4, I can buy a lot of things with $18. That's called absolute nonsense. Do you follow? Okay, okay. Now, then I'm going to show you one more that I have already shown you actually. Look at practice now 5, question 2. Can you see they already give you the prime factorization? Can you see they already give you the prime factorization? So no need to go and do. So they say find square root of this without using a calculator. So square root of this is 2 power of 2 times what? 3 times 7, right? Essentially, you are just dividing the power by what? 2. Agree? Okay? So, this is 31 times 4. So this will be an 84, alright? Okay, can all of you keep from 84 squared? What do you get? 7056? Is it 7056? Yes, so you are correct. This is called working backwards to check the answer. In maths, it's very simple. Number 1, you must read the question properly. Understand the question. Number 2, you must revise a plan. That means what should you do to get the answer? Number 3 is to carry out the plan. That means do. Number 4 is to reflect upon your answer. That means is it correct? For example, if I ask for a number of people who went to the cinema, you cannot tell me 12 and a half. You saw already the answer is 12 and a half. That means what? No. 12 no, and then after body go. The lower body stay at home. Cannot be that. Right? Cannot tell me negative 1. Then you went for the cinema. Not negative your head. Do you understand what I'm talking about? So you must check whether your answer is logical. Everybody clear? Okay. Good. Now I'm going on to cube root now, which is essentially the same thing. Now all of you look up. Cube root is written by a little tree down there, can you see? Okay? Alright, good. Now I'll do the prime factorization. 2, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 8, 2, 54, 2, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3, 1. Now, can you see I only use prime numbers? Don't use nonsense. Okay? So, 216 will be 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3, right? Now, mind you, what is this? What power is this? Cube root. So, cube root 216 will be every 3 times you take out one side. So this is what? 2 times 3 answer 6. Understand? Now, I want to train you. Do you know how to find the square root symbol on the calculator? Do you agree that above is cube root? How do you use the cube root? Shift or second function, depending on the calculator. Okay, and all of you in cube root 216. Is it 6? We double check. Though they say cannot use calculator, we can still double check, right? Everybody clear now? Everybody clear, huh? Okay. Then, now, can we look at question number 2 on page 12? Try this. Practice now 6. No, I show you what to do. Look at it. 9261 is 3 cubed times 7 cubed. 9261. 3 times what? 3 times 7. Answer? 21. Only use calculator. You see, right? Every 3 times take out 1. Are we clear so far? Are we clear so far? Yes, huh? Okay, now, work example 7 is quite long. I do not want to go through this. I want to go through the next lesson. Is that clear? I want to go through the next lesson. Alright? But I want you to look at mental estimation of square roots and cube roots on page 13. That is example 8. Okay? Example 8. This one is very simple. I just explain once, you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay. Do you agree square root 50 is not a perfect square? But this will be approximately, trigger is approximately, square root 49, right? Roughly, right? So this will be what? Around 7, right? Okay, but I want to tell you something extra. Do you think square root of 50 is more than or equal to? More than or less than 10? More than, right? Because this is 50 now. 49 is less now. So the square root, right? Okay, you keep your calculator. What's square root of 50? What's square root of 50? 7 point something, right? Or the 7 point the correct? That means it's more than 7. How come I choose 49? Okay? I never choose 36. 49 is nearer to 50. You choose the nearest one. That's called estimation. Okay? Now, next. Cube root of 63 is approximately cube root of 64. Because cube root of 64 is 4. So this is equal to 4. Clear? But the actual cube root of 63, is it more or less than 4? Less. Okay, all three cube root 63. It should be 3 point something. Is it 3 point something? Okay? So, I can also ask you in exam, though it's like that, right? Is it more or less? You must be able to tell me. You understand? You must be able to tell me. Yes or no. Okay, no problem. Everybody okay? Alright, now then we look at practice now 8 on page 13. Practice now 8 on page 13. Okay? Square root of 1, 2, 3 and cube root of 1, 2, 3. Okay. This one I will approximate to square root of 1. Very good. 1, 2, 1, right? This was what? 11. Then is this more or less? More. Okay? Can you take down this answer as a practice now? Can you tell me this one approximately cube root what? Very good. 1, 2, 5. Answer? 5, right? The original one must be more than or less than 5? Less than. Can you understand now? Can you understand now? Can Example 7 is slightly more long-winded and I need some explanation. Because now O levels they want us to know how to explain. So I will take next lesson to explain. Will that be okay, class? Okay. Now, then can you take out your content you just now. Understand that? With the prime factorization. Are you all clear? Okay? Alright, now then, remember I tell you to have a notebook. That one? Okay. You try these questions